This is poor Venus. This is a crackhead. Oh!
Oh, we got a nun.
Oh, we got a nun.
We got a nun here.
Right, go on, Mace. What's cracking?
Now, I don't want to disappoint you, but I think an Xbox is a bit pie in the sky. Like, you're better off lowering your expectations. I'm talking Sega Mega Drive, maybe even a PlayStation 1. But when you opens it, act surprised, because your mother's been through enough this year without you soaking around the shop. Here's a gift from me and Rudolph. Now be on your way. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Right, let's do it again to play. What's it about in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, because of the first time up with me, but no one said to me, cool down, down, don't let it fall, now, now. Oh, let it fall, ow, ow. Ain't nothing new now, now.
Yeah, but we don't like Kanye. It all went down the toilet when he done the MTV Awards.
Chamberlain, holiday.
Oh, shut up. Why?
Persona of life is Americana.
All right, Mace. Keep bopping.
Cause all my clothes design.